Hello and welcome. Today's lesson is lesson number 10 and the topic is my favorite sport. So let's begin. The aim of the lesson is to learn sentences to talk about a favorite sport. So any sport you like, okay, like football, tennis, okay, anything. Let's say, first one you can say, there are many sports in the world. Okay, remember what will happen here? There are. I like football. So there are many sports. I like football. Okay. You can say first. You remember from the last lesson? It's a famous sport. So in the world, everybody knows about this sport. So everybody plays, knows, everybody likes. Okay. A lot of people play it. Yeah, that's what I said. So it's famous because a lot of people play it and watch it. Okay. Second, it's in, okay, and because of this E, okay, exciting, so it will be connected. It's an exciting sport. Exciting, like people feel very happy when they watch this. Okay, they get involved. They really want to watch it. Sometimes they forget eating food, okay, because they want to watch this football match or they want to play a match. I enjoy playing it in my free time. Okay, so on the weekend, in the evenings, okay, when you have free time, you like to play this game. You like to play this sport. Okay. Then you can say third, comma, it keeps me healthy. Go down. Okay. When I play football, no, not finished. It helps me exercise. Yeah? So because you're running and passing the ball, you're focused for like 40 minutes or 1 hour. Okay, your heartbeat increases, so it is healthy for you. Okay, it makes your body healthy. Finally, you remember in the last lesson I wrote in a nutshell. Okay, here you can say finally I love football because, okay, like not strong one, not because. You have to make it like weak, okay, not strong. So just say because. Okay, I love football because it's a famous and exciting sport and it keeps me healthy. Okay, so this is what you wrote in the previous sentences. All right, let's see what we have got now. So when you talk to people and they ask you, what's your favorite sport? You say, there are many sports in the world, but I like football. So like adding but and then two sentences together. Okay. First, it's a famous sport. A lot of people play it. Second, it's an exciting sport. I enjoy playing it in my free time. Third, it keeps me healthy. When I play football, it helps me exercise. Okay. Finally, I love football because, remember, because it's a famous and exciting sport and it keeps me healthy. All right. So I'll read it again to help you pronounce the words correctly and then you can practice later. Okay. So people ask you, what's your favorite sport? You say, there are many sports in the world, but I like football. First, it's a famous sport. A lot of people play it. Second, it's an exciting sport. I enjoy playing it in my free time. Third, it keeps me healthy. When I play football, it helps me exercise. Finally, I love football because it's a famous and exciting sport and it keeps me healthy. Alright then, keep practicing and I hope these lessons are helping you. These are short lessons because I want you to have like spend little time to learn sentences and practice them later. The best thing is to keep using these sentences when you talk to people. Alright, I'll see you next time. So take care and bye bye.